concerned when some people use the word success. Because we understand the word success in terms of materialism. But for me, it's only half understanding. It's not a full understanding. Success, the word success. The whole world is running after success today, as I am seeing them.
Is running out of
Running after the success. After the success. We are crazy of success. We become like a crazy of success. Not only success, people want to be number one. How many number one possible? There is only one number one. Others are frustrated. Isn't it? So the word success is really creating a kind of stress in oneself. I am not against success, I am for success. But I would like the people to understand really what is success. A surface understanding is not enough about success. People say, I want to be successful. What is the meaning? Everybody says like that. I want to be successful. Nobody wants to be a failure. It's a good wish. Why one should be a failure? Everybody should be successful. But one should understand what is mean by success. What is mean by success? Is it just a material improvements as success? A kind of achievement? Success and achievement, they are go together. Achieving something. Therefore, successful. Achievement and success. Achieving is a process. Success is the end result. Let's look into this very deeply. Not only your children, most people, the youth in the world, they are crazy of this word success. They go mad. That's one of the reasons they become addicted to so many drugs and alcohol, etc. Because of the poor understanding about the word called success. One should completely understand what is success. And what is achievement? Because we have been trained to be successful, to achieve a lot. A Guinness record holder. Nothing wrong. Only we have to examine, we have to check whether it is a complete, whether it is a fullest understanding about success and achievement. Katrina, I would like to say something more about it so that you will share this to your children. You will make the children to understand better. If somebody achieves something in the material world, if somebody is successful in the material world, their success is half, I can say.